decant ward. This is a new ward that is in place to house up to, or accommodate about 12 patients, 12 beds. Before this was built, the existing wall and corridor was along this way here, and we're actually stepping into what was the old NICU administration offices. I guess the gradient allows for the location of the new ward, which had to be built up on grillage or steel structure to get enough space underneath for all the services that come through. So yeah, this is the ramp in. This is the existing external wall of the WO1 building. We've got a seismic gap in between for building movement. 6 individual rooms, 2 bariatric rooms and 4 standard rooms. This whole 400 square metre ward was built off-site in 8 sections, and each 50 square metre section was lifted up onto the roof sometime between midnight and 6 AM on various nights throughout June and July, and it's probably part of the reason no one knows it's up here. Some artwork you might have noticed on the ramp and up here that's done by a Wellington photographer, Chris McCown. This is the main reception. We have the staff base, which is full ceiling insulated for sound, for the privacy of conversations. And this is the 6-bed open bay, all with their own ceiling tracks, nurse calls, medical gas, oxygen, vacuum, all the required stuff on the MSP panels, the headboards. And the beauty of these panels, they can all come off and we can easily access all the pipework without ripping walls off.